If you've stumbled upon poplabbubu.com while searching for those adorable Pop Mart Lababu collectibles, whether it's plush dolls or vinyl figures, you might be tempted by their low prices and wide selection. But before you hit that buy now button, there are some serious things you need to consider. In this video, we dig deep into the truth behind poplabbubu.com to help you make an informed decision. The site presents itself as a trusted retailer of collectible toys, but there are several warning signs that can't be ignored. First off, many of the product images are clearly lifted from official sources without any original photography or branding, which is a red flag often associated with untrustworthy or fake stores. Even more concerning is that their domain was only registered in February 2025, yet they falsely claim to have been in business since 2017 and operating over 500 store statements that simply don't hold up under scrutiny. Their customer service is almost non-existent, offering no phone number or live chat support, and only listing a single email that many users report never responds. There's also zero transparency about who owns or operates the business, with no address, business license, or verifiable company name provided anywhere on the site. When looking at external sources and customer reviews, we found several complaints mentioning fake products, orders never arriving, or tracking numbers that go nowhere. While we're not saying every transaction ends badly, the overall picture doesn't inspire confidence either. poplabbubu.com raises too many red flags for it to be considered a safe shopping option. So if you're thinking of placing an order, you may want to pause and reconsider before potentially losing your money on something that may never arrive.